Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to enable push notifications on your Android device. So the first thing we do is open up our app library, search for settings, open up settings. Then you'll see this option for notifications, open notifications, then select app notifications. So this list includes all of the apps that we use. Let me change this to all apps. So it includes all of the apps we use, and we can enable notifications for the apps we want. So we just scroll down and enable apps. For instance, Instagram is turned off. So to turn it on, we select Instagram and we toggle it on. So depending on your device, you will have different options on what to do. For instance, for me, I can select what type of messages or video calls I can do on my device. So this is dependent upon your device. So after selecting all of the apps that you want notifications for, the other thing you can do is go back and select notifications on lock screen. So we usually enable this because we want to see notifications on your lock screen. So you have two options for list or compact. On Samsung devices, it also has different options, whether it's card view or bullet view and etc. So that's how you enable push notifications on your Android device. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.